Most people using AI tools are leaving serious money on the table. Not because they don't know about ChatGPT. Everyone knows ChatGPT. The problem is they're using AI like a search engine: type a question, get an answer, close the tab. That's the tourist version of AI. The people actually making money from these tools are doing something completely different. Today I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that are generating real income right now. Not theory, not potential, actual workflows that people are using to make between $2,000 and $10,000 a month. And I'll show you exactly how each one works. Let's start with the one that surprised me most, ElevenLabs. Most people know it as a voice cloning tool. What most people don't know is that you can use it to build a faceless YouTube channel at scale. The workflow is simple. Pick a niche: finance, history, true crime, whatever has search volume. Use Claude or GPT to generate a script on a specific topic. Run the script through ElevenLabs to get a professional voiceover in under 2 minutes. Then use pixels or storyblocks for B-roll footage and edit it together in CapCut or DaVinci. The entire production process takes about 90 minutes per video. Channels doing this consistently, 3 to 5 videos a week, are hitting YouTube monetization in 3 to 4 months. After that it's passive income. Ad revenue plus affiliate links in the description. The second tool is Perplexity AI, and the income angle here is SEO content at scale. Perplexity is different from ChatGPT because it pulls real-time information from the web and site sources. That makes it perfect for writing informational articles that actually rank on Google. The workflow is straightforward: find keywords with search volume but low competition using Ahrefs or even Google's free keyword planner. Use Perplexity to draft a comprehensive article on that keyword, then refine it with Claude for better writing quality. Publish it to a niche blog. Monetize with display ads through Mediavine or Raptive once you hit traffic thresholds, or with affiliate products. People running this system on 2 or 3 niche sites are making $3,000 to $8,000 a month within a year. The key is consistency. You need to publish 2 to 3 articles a week minimum for 6 months before you start seeing serious traffic. Third is Gamma AI for presentations. This one is genuinely underrated. Businesses pay between $500 and $2,000 for a professional pitch deck or investor presentation. With Gamma you can produce something that looks like a design agency made it in under 30 minutes. The strategy is to go on Upwork or LinkedIn, find founders raising money or startups that need investor materials, and charge $800 to $1,200 per deck. With Gamma doing the heavy lifting on design, you can do 3 to 5 of these per week. That's a real freelance business with almost no overhead and no complex technical skills required. Fourth is Midjourney combined with print on demand. You generate unique artwork using Midjourney, patterns, illustrations, abstract designs, and upload them to Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, or Printify connected to an Etsy shop. You own the design. Every time someone buys a t-shirt, a mug, a phone case with your design, you get a royalty cut. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service. The income is small per sale but it compounds as you build up a catalog. People with a few hundred designs uploaded are making consistent passive income every single month without touching the business. Fifth, and this one has the highest earnings ceiling, AI automation consulting. Small and medium businesses have no idea how to use AI to save time. They're doing things manually, writing emails, creating social media content, processing data, that could be automated in an afternoon. You don't need to be a developer. You need to know N8N or Make.com, which are no-code automation platforms, and you need to know how to connect them to AI APIs. The business model is simple. You charge a setup fee between $1,000 and $3,000 to build an automation for a client, something that saves them 5 to 10 hours a week. Then an optional monthly retainer for maintenance and updates. 1 or 2 clients a month and you're at $3,000 to $5,000. This is the highest leverage skill you can build with AI right now because most consultants don't know it yet and the demand from businesses is enormous. Let me be clear about something. None of these 5 paths are get-rich-quick schemes. ElevenLabs YouTube takes 3 to 4 months before monetization. Perplexity blogging takes 6 to 12 months to build real traffic. Print on demand takes time to build a catalog. Automation consulting requires weeks of learning before you can sell it. What they all have in common is that the barrier to entry is genuinely low, the tools are accessible to anyone, and the ceiling is real. These aren't side hustle myths, they're documented by thousands of people doing them right now. So pick one. Just one. Start this week. Don't try all 5 at once, that's how you make zero progress on everything. Pick the one that fits your current situation, your available time, and your interest level. Then go deep on it for 90 days without stopping to evaluate whether it's working. 90 days is the minimum before you have real signal. All the tools I mentioned are linked in the description below. Subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this. I cover specific AI workflows with actual numbers, not vague motivation.